Hello everybody and welcome back. We're now on a tutorial on how to install anytime deleter mod. So then go to the link here, and here in this link shows all these files. What's and we'll download this. There, it's downloaded, and we'll move this file to the SD card. We'll move it to WAT file. Here's the link. So now we'll go to the console. Hello everyone. Here we are. We're back now. We're back in the Nintendo Wii console, and then we'll go to the Homebrew channel. Okay. Then we'll go to Wii Multilite. Go to WAT Manager, Wii SD slot, and we'll go to any title deleted. Install WAT. Okay. And we'll return to loader. Okay, we're back in the new system menu, and here it is. Any title deleted mod. Here's the channel. Oh my goodness, look how intense this is. The theme. Look at this. Wow. Oh my. That looks like blood over there. And that's so creepy. Well. Alright everybody. Thanks for watching.